In today's video, I'll show you how to change the time zone of working hours on HubSpot in just a few easy steps. Whether you're managing an international team or simply want your HubSpot account to reflect your local time accurately, updating this setting is quick and important. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to hubspot.com. If you've bookmarked it, you can use that shortcut instead. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Click on it and sign in using your HubSpot credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard, where you can access all your tools, data, and activities in one place. From here, look for the settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open your account settings. Inside the settings page, you'll find a navigation sidebar on the left. Scroll down and select Users and Teams. This section lets you manage user permissions, account access, and individual settings for everyone in your organization. Once you're on the Users and Teams page, you'll see a list of all the users linked to your HubSpot account. Click on the name of the user whose working hours or time zone you want to edit. This will open a detailed profile view for that user. Next, look for the Edit Working Hours option. This is where you can modify a user's schedule and time zone preferences. Once inside, you'll notice fields that allow you to define the user's work hours as well as a time zone drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select the correct time zone that matches either the user's actual location or your company's standard working hours. Getting this right ensures that all meetings, emails, and scheduled activities in HubSpot align perfectly with the correct time. After selecting the new time zone, make sure to save your changes. You'll typically find a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, the update takes effect immediately, and HubSpot will now display times based on the selected zone for that user. If you're managing multiple team members across different regions, simply repeat this process for each user who needs their settings adjusted. It's a great way to ensure your team stays in sync, especially when scheduling meetings, automating workflows, or tracking engagement. And that's it. You've successfully updated the time zone of working hours in HubSpot. This small change can make a big difference in maintaining accurate schedules, improving coordination, and preventing confusion across time zones. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more HubSpot tips and productivity guides. Stay organized, stay on time, and I'll see you in the next video.